Presentation of bills. Presentation of Bill Kevin Foster.
Vehicle Noise Limits Enforcement Bill.
Second reading what day?
Friday the 2nd of December.
Friday the 2nd of December. Presentation of Bill Kevin Foster.
Broadcasting Radio Multiplex Services Bill.
Second reading what day?
Friday the 13th of January 2017.
Friday the 13th of January. Presentation of Bill Kevin Foster.
Wild Animals in Circuses Prohibition Bill.
Second reading what day?
Friday the 24th of February 2017.
Friday the 24th of February. Presentation of Bill Kevin Foster.
Animal Fighting Sentencing Bill.
Second reading what day?
Friday the 24th of February 2017.
Friday the 24th of February.